Thanks for joining us in the 6 o'clock hour as we head through our Thursday evening. There is a full moon out there, and as we take a look at that full beaver moon, it's called, in the month of November, we are expecting and anticipating in great excitement that there's going to be a pretty nice looking eclipse tonight. And that's where this travels into the shadow of the Earth that is cast by the sun. But we have clouds that are drifting overhead. So this view provided by our friends at Home of Economy in Devil's Lake, where the clouds are thin and wispy right now, but the viewing of the eclipse in the time frame of 1 a.m. to 3 a.m. when the eclipse will be peaking at 3 a.m. looks to be pretty poor. But for now, we'll enjoy this view. But look at those temperatures falling rapidly, as we talked about earlier. Earlier in the evening, with the clear skies and the light winds, we're going to see these temperatures bottom out pretty quickly in the early evening, but we have changes. 22 at Moorheads Airport, 23 at Moorheads Airport, and 22, I should say, at Hector. Here's a look around the region. It's only 10 degrees in Langdon. Chilly pool of air right there. We also are cool out near the Wadena area with low 20s. Factor in the winds, and we have many areas with wind chills around 10 degrees. Heading into the evening hours. Batch of clouds we saw in the Grand Forks area earlier. That's kind of lingering in northwest Minnesota, but thinning out, as you see here. Look at this old batch of clouds moving in really from Regina and the oil patch into our western counties. So the battle tonight in the forecast for those who want to view between 1 a.m. and 3 a.m. the event going on tonight with that eclipse is going to be a little bit of a challenge. In our western counties, that challenge is the greatest. But if you're east of Fargo or south of Fargo, the clouds will take longer to get there. And they may be at first of the high thin cloud variety. Temperatures 10 right now up in that Langdon area. Look what happens by the time we get to around 3 a.m. South winds pick up overnight, folks, and those will bring the heat. Even in the overnight, we'll see rising temperatures. We start our day off in those 20s for most locations to near 30 down south. 30-mile-per-hour wind gusts not out of the question in our southern counties. Cloudy skies for all as we go through. And again, the best chance of viewing that in the 3 a.m. hour is going to be in our southeastern counties out there along I-94. Now, as we go through the day tomorrow, those clouds are going to be on their way out. The clouds will move out. So will the wind by the afternoon. That starts to die down. We'll enjoy temperatures that are lovely in eastern North Dakota and pretty swell across greater Minnesota as well. Your Friday evening, no big hiccups in sight. As we take a look at that moon one more time. 26 in the morning to start, as rising temperatures will be provided by our friend, the old south wind. Then as we go through the afternoon, we'll kiss 40 degrees. And then after that, well, we'll cool off a little bit into the evening with more clouds building in. Your forecast then, as we first take a look at the Chariton, Iowa area. Thanks, Austin, for sharing this colorful sky from afar. Now a look at your planning forecast. Saturday, 33 degrees. We're cooling off. Look at this. We start out Sunday morning at 28 degrees and cool throughout the day. Falling temperatures, falling flakes of snow possible, and wind that'll be a blustery as well. Cold start to the week. Then Tuesday, the pick day. If you're traveling, we could see a flake or two with some wind on Wednesday. At this point, it doesn't look as threatening of a winter weather event as it was yesterday. We'll keep you posted for your cool Thanksgiving Day forecast as well.
Your turkey looks a little, I don't know.
Healthy.
Healthy. That's a
He's
good
healthy.
term. Yeah. Okay.